Having the ability to control your trailer brakes is key to a successful tow. The CURT Echo Inline is a trailer brake controller that you won't even see. This brake controller is inline. What this means is that it connects between the vehicle's US SCAR port and vehicle 7-way, keeping it completely out of sight. The Echo works by using a triple-axis motion sensing accelerometer. This accelerometer is highly responsive and provides much smoother stops and safer towing. The Echo can operate between 2 and 8 brakes at once, or 1 to 4 axles. It also has auto calibration for a quicker setup and better user experience. The Echo is Bluetooth enabled, which means you use your phone to set up and control your trailer brakes. This makes this easier and simpler since you can have the controller functions easily accessible. You can download the app on Apple or Android, and a great feature of the tool is that using Bluetooth doesn't block incoming calls, so you can control your brakes and tell your wife why you bought another trailer. If you're interested in purchasing the CURT Echo Inline trailer brake controller, or you need help with installation, please check out the store locator either on screen or in the description below, and don't forget to check out our new videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.